In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix run as administrator error. So step 1, in your search bar here, type in NATPLWIZ. Okay. Once you type that, click on it and open it up. Okay. And here, click on these advanced, click on these Windows 10 and then select the properties here. So click on properties. And then when you get to properties, go to the group membership tab, click on it, make sure administrator is selected. Okay, if not, just select it, hit on apply. Okay, that's step 1. Okay, done. And then next, step 2, what we're going to do, on your search bar here, search for UAC. Okay, search for UAC and go to your user account control settings here. Okay, so once you're here, what you're going to do, you're going to bring this bar down to the third option. Okay, so it's 1, 2, the third one. So bring it here to the third option. Once I've done that, hit on OK. Okay, that's the second step. And the third step, what we're going to do here is you're going to click on CMD. Okay, type in CMD to open up the command prompt, but hit on run as administrator. Okay, click on run as administrator, and that should open up the command prompt here where you can run as administrator. So lastly, what we're going to do is you're going to type in this command here, sfc space / scan now. Okay, and then let the scan to complete, and once the scan finishes, restart your system, and that should fix up the issue.